You are bringing in over 100 new leads every week from your lead magnet ads, yet 95% of them never reply, never open your emails, and never engage with what you got. That is not bad luck. Yeah, we found it's a data issue hiding in plain sight. And in the next 3 minutes, I want to share with you the exact reason why most lead magnets right now are creating passive leads, but how you can adjust with just one simple step in your funnel so you can actually start daily messenger conversation with people who actually want to talk with you about what you have for them. And by the way, leave any message below this video and I will send you my personal notes on the best performing ads that could bring you active leads so you can fill out your calendar this week. Hi, I'm Tina and I'm the founder of Sandford Video Ads. Now, I've been working with coaches, service providers and course creators, and we've been transforming lead lists into book calls, me and my son Dan, okay? But we've been doing it without changing their offers or increasing their ad spend. We've been doing it by simply changing how the first interaction is structured. Now, I want to share with you what the numbers actually reveal right now. When someone actually clicks on your ad, downloads a freebie, or gets instant access to what you got, I'm going to tell you they feel like they've gotten what they came for. You invited them to take this free thing. They didn't say that they came for a conversation. Now, we call these passive leads. Now, across all ad counts that we run for our clients, the lead magnet funnels that get these kinds of passive leads average around 5% response rate. But that means that 95% of them are actually ghosting you right now. Now, we got a fix for it, and it's what we call the fast funnel. And the good news is that you don't need to change the freebie itself if it used to work, okay? You just need to repurpose it with the following steps. Now listen in, because you can do this for yourself. Step 1, you want to write one clear sentence that names your freebie and the results it would give. Example, this checklist helps coaches get 5 more book calls this week. Want it? Okay, step 2, you run that sentence as a simple £5 a day engagement ad. You could either do it as a text, you could do it as a short spoken reel, you can go into Canva and make a nice little post, but you want to invite people to comment if they want it. And then step 3, when they do comment, reply in Messenger. Let them know why you're replying though. Now, what you want to do is you want to have a chat with them, because now the lead's actually chosen to talk. They basically give you permission. And that small change raises reply rates from 5% to about 30 to 40% right now. You're going to ask, what happened? Well, what happened was this. You removed that gap between what we call download and dialogue. In this case, they expected to chat with you. They expected at least a message with you, so they answer. Now, you're speaking with active leads instead of chasing passive ones, and it feels better. Anyway, give it a go for yourself. And if fewer than 1 in 10 leads ever responds, it means you're running passive system from your lead gen, and shift to a fast funnel and see if it changes that response rate. And then you'll finally see the proof that your ads are sparking real conversations. And that's the only metric that matters before a sale, doesn't it? Having a conversation with somebody to see if they want it. Are you actually ready to flip your lead magnet from passive to active? Drop anywhere below. I can send you my personal notes with a 3-step fix on this. Happy to give this away for free to you.